Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to install a theme in WordPress website. Right, as you can see, I am into my WordPress dashboard and here there is an option in left side of themes. Right, we are going to themes and here one theme is installed already. This is a sample theme. Right, we need to install a new theme, so that's why we are going to click on add theme. Right, this is a theme directory. There are 8011 themes available over here. You can install any theme related to your business. Like for example, if you are running a food business, then you can simply search for food. So there are lots of themes available over here, right? And you can check them out, and whatever you find attractive, you can simply install that particular theme. For example, you are running a fashion business or fashion website, then you can search for fashion simply, and fashion related themes would be available over here, right? If you're running a health related business, then you can simply search for health, and there are lots of themes that are related to health. In similar way, you can search for fitness or whatever, right? Okay, I have removed all these and I'm going to the popular section. So these are some popular themes, right? 2025, this is the pre-default WordPress theme, right? Might be 2026 is soon to release, or might be it have already released in the new version, right? Similarly, I just want to start a blog, then what theme would be suitable for me? Let me check it out. Scrolling down, there are lots of themes available over here, like blog area. Let me install this theme. I've clicked on install. Right now, if I check for the front end of my website, then let me tell you that it is quite basic and simple, as we have installed the theme one, right? So it's just a sample theme, right? So let me activate this. Okay, you should always read this kind of pop-up whenever you download and install a new theme. Many themes need required plugins to be installed for proper showcasing. So here it is saying us that congratulations, welcome to blog era. All the fantastic features of blog era are now at your disposal. Get started button to install the mystery themes demo importer plugin, right? It means we need to install the required plugin if we want to showcase the theme as it is, right? So there is no much difference. Let me install this blog area plugin. Okay, we have installed blog area dashboard. It is showcased over here, right? And here we can go for the starter sites, and we can again refresh the front end so to see if anything have changed. No, nothing have changed, right? Going back to the admin dashboard, here are some pre-built themes. Let me select any one. What do you think, which theme would be best for me? There are so many themes, right? I just want a simple theme, so I'm going to install this one or this one. Both are good, but I want my info over here, like in the right side, so that's why I'm installing this. Import, cancel. Let me check the demo of this one. Okay, this theme is like this, and whenever someone opens a blog, then also yeah, the author bio is over here, related post they can read, right? And let me open the demo of this one, then I will decide which theme suits me the best. Let me open this one. Both themes are like quite similar, there is just a color difference. Scrolling now, let me check this one also. Okay, let me open this one. Again, there is only color difference, nothing else. So let me go with this one. This one would be good for me, but this one, let me compare the demo again, and this one is nice, the color is nice. And if I go with this one, view demo, then also color is nice. Okay, I have made the decision, I am going with this one. Okay, so I am importing the content, so at least I get a reference like how to design this website, or how to make changes, or how to do customization on this website, right? So that's why I'm just importing the demo. Importing the demo helps you a lot, like you get at least a reference. You just need to just customize the things, but designing from the scratch is quite hard for the beginners. So once you become pro in this website designing, then it would be easier for you to start from scratch, right? To design from scratch using Elementor or block theme, whatever. Okay, so we have successfully imported the demo. Let us close this and this, and now let us check the front end again. I'm refreshing my home page. Okay, the theme has been imported, right? We just need to and edit this particular theme, and our website would be ready to go. As you can see, this theme has been imported successfully, right? We can make changes to it, whatever the change might be. We can change the logo, we can change these articles, we can change the social media links, we can decrease the size of this header. Is a sticky header, so we can also remove the stickiness, and we can change the color as well, and we can change the widgets present in the footer section as well. Everything is customizable. So this is how you can install a theme in WordPress website. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.